Alright guys, welcome back to the channel in part 2 of the House Propane Generator video series. As you just saw in the previous clips, all is successful in making the final connections and running our generator off our 500-gallon house propane tank. This modification brings much improvement and streamlines our setup, giving us nearly unlimited access to propane for longer run times for our generator. With an extended power outage, we will be able to run the generator for a long time without needing to switch out gas bottles. The technician from the propane company installed a cross and added a section I made on the right side of the T. These were the fittings which came off the governor regulator on the generator. The technician also installed an additional shutoff and plug to the left of the T for future gas service and appliances. Shutting down the generator is as simple as turning off the gas shutoff from the propane connection. This allows for all the gas to be used up in the line and makes for a clean shutdown. That's essentially it for our setup. Everything's working well, there's room for expansion, and we now have access to a larger supply of fuel for our generator. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, and have a good day.